Hello guys, today is Monday and windy day in Kiev, and I'm in my usual location near Michael's Cathedral, and it is like some visitors in Kiev again. A lot of journalists there, so have no idea. Usually during the working days, always some delegations, always different visitors from EU or different countries overseas came to Kyiv to meet Zelensky or other member of parliament. If you ask any Ukrainian how they spend their weekend, they would probably say about sleepless night. So last night I was tired, I slept, and I didn't hear any explosion, but it was air siren. And night for Russia is a prime time to attack Ukraine with drones. So in Kyiv this morning I read the news, and it was shrapnel fell in the open area like forest and park. So there are thankfully no casualties, no damages. The shrapnel were found in Obolensky district and Desnyansky district. So okay, in park and so on. But on Sunday I woke up maybe at 5 a.m. didn't remember, from the very loud explosion, and fell asleep again. And I read the news in Sunday morning, and I see that thankfully again there is no death, no one wounded and so on. But shrapnel hit one of the universities, one of the university buildings in Kyiv, in central area, in Shevchenkivsky districts, where actually I live. That is like Shevchenkivsky district and so on. So this is a weekend in Ukraine, and I found the photos showing for all October it was only one day without drone attack. All nights it was drone attack, and it was loud nights, and now it's November and actually nothing has changed. Drones are flying very low, which is make for us difficult to intercept them, and last week it was casualties and death in Solomensky district. The drone hit the residential buildings, the top floors, and I did my previous video about this and adding photos to YouTube community. So, and yesterday I saw the photo published by Reuters, how air defense system working in Kyiv and intercepting drones. And I was a little bit shocked because for us Ukrainians, we're not allowed to shoot, by law, we're not allowed to shoot how air defense is working, because if they security service will figure out who you are, and you can easily end up in prison. So we just take it very seriously with the locations and air defense system, because air defense system is one of the main targets for Russia. They dreaming about how to destroy it. Everything was what we were given from our lives. So Reuters post a photo, and this can see all the world. And only what I'm thinking about, maybe this is air defense system that changing location every day, like moving one. Maybe that is for them okay, maybe they have permission. But since I was working with media for these 2.5 years, I heard a lot of stories, and I know that some journalists are bound to returning back to Ukraine. A lot of people lost their accreditation, and it was sometimes kind of really problems when media are trying to shoot something and post before they were allowed, or shoot something from the drones, or showing air defense system, and so on and so on. So this just to let you know, work of the air defense system you can see from media very rarely. If it's post one of Ukrainians, I remember the girl was posting the video from the window or in Instagram. Very fast all the publics posted, and the security service will found her, because all the people are scared about this, and it's very easy to target this again. So this is just to also add in for my previous video about Ukrainian market, when people were asking where and what I'm shooting is just a market, but some media posting air defense system. So it's just still a question why they do this, and maybe they have permission, or maybe it was a moving air defense system. Let's say like this. And tomorrow is a very important day, elections in the US, and I hope the right candidate will win. And just to speak it out loud, what I check in the internet and so on. Before the elections, a lot of you can hear different speech about for supporting and giving and so on and so on. But no one's sure, even if Kamala Harris wins, which kind of support we will have, because who knows which politics will happen later in case her victory. So what I can say, like, Ukraine is now in very unstable positions. We depended on the elections and so on and so on. So I think like we all just waiting and see what's happen next, and yeah, we will see. Let's say so. I wouldn't say more about the elections. We just following the news and how this affects Ukraine. Also sharing some internal news from Ukraine. This summer, the parliament decided to increase military tax from 1.5% to 5%. So up until today, nothing has changed, but it raised a lot of conversation among Ukrainians that like we are donating for army, and now we even pay more from our personal income. It's increased like a lot. So up until now, nothing yet, and this was another news. Recently, the president announced that every Ukrainian that located in Ukraine will get 1,000 hryvnia. It's equals to $25. And some people was like, okay, but I see that a lot of conversation also raised up about we have to donate this money immediately to army. It will be money for for volunteers' needs and so on and so on. No one will take this money. And also raised a lot of questions about why the president doing this. So I also have no questions, but I did some researches, and one woman even applied the petition about canceling all this and give this all money to the army. And also what I found out, maybe that is for census data to check how many people right now in Ukraine. So that is like different things is going on around this topic. Let me know what you think about that, because I don't know if any country in the world has this happening. Like, did you ever have experience in your life that the president gives you, everyone gives cash, like gives money on your credit card and so on? So I'm just curious. Share with me in the comments below. And here we are. Actually, we on Maidan, Independence Square, down below the Michael's Monastery. I decided to split my videos. First part will be about the news updates, and second part to show you something from Kyiv, maybe some culture sites, hidden gems, and something like this, because I maybe do later separate videos about all this. I will see, but for news updates I would like to add in something else to see. So I would like to visit some exhibition right now of one amazing lady, and showing what she's doing. And it's really amazing, because when I saw this, I understand like someone is destroying our culture, and someone, despite everything, continue fighting for this and doing these beautiful pieces of art. You think that I forgot Misha? No, he's here with me. He's on Maidan and checking the amazing day in Kyiv after drone attacks. Here we are. This is the entrance for exhibition Ridna Hata, which literally translated as a native house. And yeah, let's go inside and I show you more and tell you more about this place. Tuk tuk. Добрий день. Okay, I think I know what's going on because I read in the internet that that is a granny, and when there are no visitors, she's saving the electricity, and the light will turn on when someone came. So I came, and I think she's absent right now. So I think I will stay here calmly, get a little bit warm because it's windy and a little bit cold. So, okay, starting also mention about this place. The granny is, if I'm not mistaken, 85 years old, and for all her life she's making the embroidery dress, which is like our traditional Ukrainian dress. And here's her exhibition, and she's coming here every day, inviting visitors. That is, all the dresses are not for sale, just for showing to sharing, and she's collecting the donations. And like lady is very interesting. I read about her in Wikipedia. She said that she doesn't have a husband, she doesn't have children. Her children is her work, and she's a member of National Artists of Ukraine. And yeah, just small cozy place. And her embroidery is gathering different style from different regions of Ukraine. Now she has a problem with the vision and she cannot continue doing her job. So, but she has a lot of to show. So this is Mariia Ivanovna at her own exhibition, showcasing her traditional Ukrainian embroidered dresses. She also enjoys sharing stories from her life. And here I was asked about my age, and she congratulates me. Here also she's showing different books with her own work. Which year? It's Lviv, 1988, and it is she on a photo. With Mariia, you will never get boring because Mariia is going to tell you a lot and show you a lot. In each magazine, she will find an article about her and speaking a lot about her dresses. Mariia spent 2 or 3 months of work in each dress, and I can see this amazing work. And you may probably know how she is able to pay for rent. She is doing only with her pension, and visitors gave Mariia donations, and she collected this to have her exhibition. And this is another magazine, Ukraine, with her work in Canada. I forget which year it was, but you can see her work, and unfortunately she hasn't traveled to Canada. Mariia always dreamt about this. This is what I was told. Mariia has this exhibition for over 30 years, and I see how she very happy and proud about all her work and likes to speak about all this. And she's very nice and kind because she tried several times to give me sweets, which visitors always give her when she's visiting. And here we go to another room where she has the Vyshyvankas for men, and even on the door you can see interesting fabrics with a special ornament, and this fabric is over 60 years old. This is, yeah, for men, as I mentioned before, and in total she has over 1,000 Vyshyvankas, and that is not for sale. She shows what she's doing for her life, and the first her work she did when she was 10, and showing this is complete for wedding. And I had a chance to touch everything and check even inside and out, and have a look how both sides are looking amazing. And yeah, it is the album with this variant from 10 or 15 years ago in Podil. The variant was in her Vyshyvankas, and she rented and has this as an amazing memory. Yeah, even with her ornaments, the book made the decoration of the first and last pages, and lots of books and lots of things is mentioned in her name and who is she and all of her work. It's so amazing to hear all this and checking everything. Also, she said that she never has been married and her children is her Vyshyvankas. And she was so busy with her work and art. She she told me that she doesn't know how to cook because she was busy. Yeah, you can see a lot of work because each dress needs like 2 or 3 months.
Да,
And also,
заборонено українською мовою.
what I see there, she has a lot of things about like prohibiting of Ukrainian language. And first law was in 1622 by the Moscow Tsar. So this lady is so pro-Ukrainian and lots of learn from her, and she's knowing what Russia has done for us for over 300 years, but she's continued to carry all this culture and showing what is Ukrainian is, and it is like the very cool moment. She's sharing her phone number, but she doesn't have mobile, as I understand. It's her card, and it is the only one that you contact her and even check if it's work or not.
Працює. Да, працює. Угу.
Дома мені відключили, ще ремонт треба робити, кошмар.
So thank you, Mariia, for this nice, amazing day. I see she turned the light and it's my time to go. Mariia was born in 1939 and I know in December 19th is her birthday. I will call her or visit if I'm in Kiev this time. So that's it. I was very impressed how many books she has, and in each book, in each magazine, there is an article about her, and she spent all her life with making this embroidery. Yeah, it's like great, and as I maybe mentioned lots of times, I feel like supporting elders it's important, and she's very happy for new visitors. So whenever you will visit Kiev, just find 10 minutes here, not far from Maidan Незалежності, visit this granny and see the embroidery dress, like for 50, 60 years old. It's like so cute, so cool, so great part of our history and culture. And let's hope that the war will over soon and we will win this war. And thank you as always so much for your supporting, for watching my channel, and hope I will see you soon in Kiev, in Ukraine, and everything will be great. So thank you for watching, thank you for all your donations and helping me on Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, and becoming sponsors of my YouTube channel. And let me know how do you like this video format, news plus culture plus something to see in Kiev. And see you very soon. Bye bye.